Well, back again. Another night. 3 more houses. This time, I think Last of Us. Got the Last of Us shirt on. So that might be the house. I think Chucky, maybe, and something else. But got some other things to do first. Zort is still being Dolby. I haven't found the time, but I'm cowboy mode. Tom, Zort. Rubber traction. They have some stilt walkers. This is new. They didn't have these yesterday. So, all right, we're here. It's day number 2. I think I said Tom Zort earlier, but we're gonna go in. I had to get my frequent fear pass out. You can see, compared to the first day, the crowds are a lot less hectic. This is a little bit more my speed. The sign's lit up, there's no rain. Let's do this. Coming in this time with about 4 minutes, maybe a minute and a half, I don't know. But it's definitely improved from yesterday. We got some tall people here. I don't remember them being here yesterday. I guess that's because, you know, there was issues yesterday. But he's pretty, oh, hello. Oh, he's petting Zort, thank you. Oh, that's awesome. Zort got petted. That was cool. The other thing that's different is I have a wristband. They didn't give me this yesterday, but apparently this is so I don't have to, or this is to prove that I'm drinking. I don't know. But I have a wristband. You got some weird people walking around. I think it's a flower. I don't know. A fly flower? A fly crab? I'm confused. I don't know. I really don't. Dr. Facility. I'm sorry. Dr. Oddfellow doing his stuff right now. Good for him. What do we got here? Hello. I love the hair. I love the outfit too. Ooh, the wardrobe's out. The fog's out. The fog's out. I hear the chainsaws. Let's do this. I'm gonna get back to you guys when it gets dark out. Maybe we'll get some stuff in the Zodiac area right now while it's light. What do you think? Ready? He's waiting. They all look mildly lost. I wonder if they need directions. I don't know. Maybe they need directions. I think that's Leo. These are all supposed to be the Zodiac signs. I think that's Leo. I don't know. He can't get it to start. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh well. Sometimes you just can't get it to start. I told him not to stay in the jacuzzi. Why did he stay in the jacuzzi? Sagittarius? I think I'm right. Sagittarius. You're a bird. A raven? Quote the raven nevermore. Tried to get me with the chainsaw. Not gonna. I'm a little too good for that. But this is a lot. See, in the daytime you can see everyone. You get nice little interactions. Kind of. So, that's kind of, ooh, there's a tall dude. You're so tall. All of them are tall today. They're all so tall. Why are they all so tall? Scorpio. Pisces. Yesterday they weren't stilt walking. I kind of preferred that a little bit. Now all the cool looking ones are higher up. So it's kind of harder. But I guess it's okay. Let's see if we'll get the Scorpio lady. Oh, she's right behind me. She didn't want to wave high. She's walking away. It happens. Yes, that's what it is. So obviously yesterday was modified. So that's why the crab guy is on his stilts today. Oh. Oh. Her eyes seem creepy. Pisces. That's me. I'm a Pisces. Hello. Hello. Okay. Okay. Bob. So obviously massive improvements from the rainy day yesterday. So now I'll catch up to you after I do the houses later. Okay, it's dark out. It's time for the haunted houses. I think we're heading to Chucky first. All right, so we're about to do the first house, Chucky. It's so bright back there. 75-minute wait, not for us though.
That makes express, not express, he says.
This is not express. This is the opposite.
Yeah, that's right. I'm back.
All right, no joke. Probably the worst house so far. Big advertisement for the Chucky show, and that's it. Terrible. One. It's just bad. All right, so we're online for Easy Enough to Say. It's right behind me. This isn't the scariest thing to me. It's based around mushrooms. It's scary. Mushrooms are scary. I completely forgot to talk about Last of Us. That was my favorite house so far just because I love the game. They actually had decent Joel and Ellie lookalikes. The clickers were good, the runners were nice. It was nice to see like the thugs or the regular human bad guys. And there was great interactions with like, oh, I got you covered, Ellie's telling to us and stuff like that. Very nice. I don't think I'll put it above Stranger Things, but it's definitely my number 2. It beat out Dueling Dragons. Sorry, Dueling Dragons. Just 2 houses tonight. Last of Us and Chucky. Rain yesterday made a blessing. Today it was nice out. Lines were a lot worse today than Friday. And it's the second day, and I feel like it might just get worse. So, Tom, so the rogue attraction, it's been a long day. Don't be afraid to be cool, and bye. Enjoy your time at Horror Nights. Later.